Look, let's slow this down for a second. Because when people hear stuff like $1.3 trillion, multi-trillionaire, it starts sounding crazy real fast. And that's usually where people either get excited or they completely check out. So let's make this simple. At a high level, what this video is saying is Elon Musk could earn over $1 trillion from Tesla and SpaceX if everything goes perfectly. Now pause, because this is where people get it wrong. That does not mean someone is handing him $1 trillion. That's not how this works. Think of it like this. Imagine your boss tells you, hey, if you grow this business from a small shop into a nationwide company, I'll give you a percentage of it. That's what this is. He doesn't get paid first. He has to build the value first. So his pay isn't a salary. It's based on how much the company grows, how valuable it becomes, and whether he actually hits those targets. If he doesn't perform, he doesn't get paid. Simple as that. Now here's where things start getting a little exaggerated. You're hearing numbers like 1.3 trillion, 6 trillion valuation, 8 trillion valuation. Look, some of that is real structure, but a lot of those exact numbers, that's speculation, that's projection. That's people trying to connect dots that aren't fully confirmed yet. And this is important because I don't want you thinking, oh, this is guaranteed. It's not. What is real is this. He gets paid in stock. He only gets it if the company grows, and investors benefit first. Think of it like building a house. You don't get paid for the house until the house is actually built. So if Tesla grows, investors win first. If SpaceX grows, investors win first, and then he gets his piece. Now you might be hearing stuff like Tesla and SpaceX are going to merge. Let's keep that simple too. That's speculation. There's no confirmed plan right now. So don't build your decisions off of that. Now here's the part I actually want you to take from all this, because this is where people either win or completely miss it. Don't get caught up in the big numbers. Don't get distracted by the headlines. Don't get emotional about personalities. Focus on this. What is actually being built? Because that's where the real opportunity is. The goal is not to sit around waiting for someone to become a trillionaire. The goal is to recognize growth, direction, and structure before it becomes obvious. That's it. Keep it simple. Stay focused. And don't let the noise throw you off. M.B.U. Mind Hack. You don't need to understand everything. You just need to understand enough to recognize what's real and what's just talk. If this made sense to you, subscribe. I don't chase hype. I teach structure. This is how I move. If you want to learn it step by step, subscribe. Real quick, before we keep going, if you've been getting value from this, go ahead and hit like and subscribe. That's how this message reaches more people who need structure, not hype. Now listen, M.B.U. is bigger than just videos. This is a full system. If you're trying to stop guessing in the market and actually build something real, we put everything in one place for you. The Market Blueprint teaches you structure, discipline, and how to move with purpose. Profit like a pro shows you how to stack wins while protecting your peace. And we even have trader music, because what's in your head matters. Your mindset controls your money. And most importantly, the M.B.U. community. Real people, no hype, no pretending, just individuals learning how to build a family bank step by step together. This market can feel manipulated at times, but structure keeps you grounded. If you're ready to stop chasing and start building, link is in the description and bio. Come join us. Now let's get back to it.